if you're going to pressure wash, you want to use a pressure washer that's gasoline. Why? Because the electric ones don't have enough power. This one has 3,500 psi. If you're looking at that mold right there, that mold will come off. If you're looking at all the stains, those stains will come off. The electric ones simply don't put out the power to clean the wall. And whether or not you're going to paint a house, in order for that primer to adhere, you got to get the walls clean enough to eat off. How do you get the walls clean enough to eat off? This is how you do it. Now, all this moss, mold, and dirt that's been here for 20, 30 years, it'll come right off. You can't sandblast anymore, guys. Those days are long gone for good reasons. I won't go into those here. But 3,500 psi here, as well as the turbo tip, gives 4,000 psi. What the heck does that mean? That means if I put my hand right here, it'll cut through this glove. It'll make me bleed. It'll expose the bone. That's mighty strong indeed.
All right, folks, we want to thank you for watching how we do things in the stucco and plastering world. We really enjoy your questions and comments, so if there's anything you want to learn about that we can show you, please let us know in the comments. And as always, from the entire Giordano family,
we'll see you on the next one.